A very happy morning to my cute little children, and today's class is extremely important. Why it is extremely important? Because today we are going to revise for our first semester assessment. Today's date 7th October 2020. So come on children, let's get started. First we will see the syllabus and paper pattern. Now is it visible? Syllabus chapter 1 to 14 and comprehension and writing a letter. This is your syllabus. Now comes paper pattern. Question number, question type, number of question and marks. Everything is mentioned. First question will be rearrange the words to make a complete sentence. Jumbled words will be given to you and you will have to make a complete sentence. This type of question was also there in your test. Match the subject with suitable predicate. Match the following. Subject और predicate दिया होगा और आपको उन्हें match करना होगा. Third, name the parts of speech of underlined words. You will have to name the parts of speech of the underlined words. It carries 3 marks. Do as directed. Some questions will be asked to you in do as directed and you will have to answer them. Fifth, fill in the blanks with adjectives given in the box. Sixth, complete the table. It will come off 3 marks. Fill in the blanks with a, an or the. Fill in the blanks with appropriate pronouns. Fill in the blanks by choosing correct form of verbs. Fill in the blanks using the different forms of be, have or do. I am rushing a little bit because when we will discuss the sample paper, it will be clear to you that which type of questions will come and which questions will carry how much marks and so on. That's why I am rushing a little bit. Then comprehension and letter. Okay children, so this was the paper pattern and now we will see the sample paper. Here is the sample paper. First, we will see the guidelines which are very important. There are some important instructions that you have to follow. Instruction number 1. Write in a clear, neat and legible handwriting. Second, write the test in the supplementary sheets. Third, write the following details: name, class, date and subject. So आप सबसे पहले क्या करोगे? जैसे ही आपको पेपर मिलेगा, the first thing you will do is you will write your name, class, subject, date. Very important. Fourth, write the question also in your sheets. आपको questions भी copy करने हैं. Fifth, the photo shot or PDF of the supplementary sheets. This is the most important instruction, so listen to this carefully. Has to be submitted before or by 8 PM on the day of the assessment itself. It means जब आपका एग्ज़ाम होगा, जब आपका असेसमेंट होगा, जब आपको क्वेश्चन पेपर हम देंगे, आपको आंसर शीट कब तक देनी है? उस दिन रात 8 बजे से पहले. It is very important. Either you have to submit the photo shot or the PDF. PDF is more preferable, but if you are not able to send the PDF, okay, photo shot will also do. Now comes our paper pattern, our solving of the question. Rearrange the words to make a complete sentence. 4 questions are given to you and it carries 4 marks. It means individually it carries 1 mark. We will solve the first one. Garden rose is this a. It is a jumbled sentence. इसका कुछ मतलब नहीं है. अब आप इसका मतलब कैसे बनाओगे? By arranging it in proper order, that it makes a complete sense. This is a rose garden. Have homework my finished. I have finished my homework. Now 3 and 4 is your homework. Okay. 3 and 4 is your homework. The questions which I am ticking with red. Match the subject with suitable predicate. Subject Veena is reading, is raining heavily or has gone to school. क्या होगा suitable predicate Veena का? Veena has gone to school. So Veena का आंसर होगा C. And this is how you will write in your answer sheet also. You will not do match like this by putting lines. It creates your work dirty. It makes your work very messy. So don't do this thing. Just write Veena and in front of it write the correct answer. My hobby is reading. C is your homework. Then comes third. Name the parts of speech of underlined words. 3 questions, 3 marks. The train was late. Here the train is, क्या है train? Noun, verb, adjective, pronoun. What it is? It is noun. It is noun. 2 and 3 is your homework. Then do as directed. 6 question, 3 marks. It means each question carries half marks. Give the plural of child. We are solving second one. Give the plural of child. How do I greet you? A very happy morning to my cute little children. So plural of child is children. Then give the feminine form of tiger. It is tigress. Tigress. Then rewrite using apostrophe. The gift for Sonam. Sonam's gift. Then your first is homework. Your 3, 4, 5, 6. This is your homework. Now let's move ahead. Question number 5. Fill in the blanks with adjectives given in the box. Very easy. Box is given to you. You just have to find the correct one. 6th question and it carries 3 marks. So individually it carries half marks. We did not go to school yesterday since it was a we did not go to school yesterday since it was a rainy day. R-A-I-N-Y, rainy day. The woodcutter was a dash man. It was an honest man. Here it is, honest. 3, 4, 5, 6 is your homework. Then comes complete the table. Complete the table. Positive, comparative and superlative. Now see children. आपको पॉजिटिव फॉर्म दिया हुआ है टॉल. आपको कंपैरेटिव और सुपरलेटिव लिखना है. टॉल का क्या होगा? टॉलर. एंड सुपरलेटिव क्या होगा? टॉलेस्ट. सेकेंड एंड थर्ड इज योर होमवर्क. Fill in the blanks with a, an or the. Honesty is dash great virtue. Honesty is a great virtue. So what will come here? A will come. Then Seema arrived dash hour ago. An hour ago. Dash park in front of our house is huge. The park in front of our house is huge. So this is how you will do this. Then comes fill in the blanks with appropriate pronoun. Shubh and Manoj are friends. Dash live in Chandigarh. Shubh and Manoj are friends. Dash live in Chandigarh. They live in Chandigarh because here there are 2 people. Shubh and Manoj. So what will come? They will come. T-H-E-Y. Now second and third is your homework. Fill in the blanks by choosing correct form of verb. I dash Vani Sharma. I am Vani Sharma. So what will come? Am will come. She dash an innocent girl. She is an innocent girl. Then 10th question. Fill in the blanks using the correct forms of be, have or do. Elephants have big ears. Then second, third and fourth is your homework. Then comes comprehension. Comprehension you will do by your own. See, a paragraph is given to you. 4 questions are asked and comprehension is of 4 marks. And last question is letter. Write a letter to your friend informing her that you won't be visiting her during your vacation. Write an application to the principal of your school requesting him/her to grant leave. Okay, it consists of 4 marks. Here there is a option or या फिर ये करो या फिर ये करो. Now then comes subject teacher's name. As soon as you finish your answer, what you have to do is you have to click the photos, make a PDF and send to the respective subject teacher on their WhatsApp number. So children, for today this was it. Study very well, score nice marks, make your parents proud, make me proud, make yourself proud, be happy, keep smiling. May God bless you.